Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the versatile outdoor folding portable picnic camping table, a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. This table is designed with adjustable telescoping aluminum legs, allowing you to set the height anywhere from 17.7 to 27.5 inches, making it perfect for uneven surfaces during your camping adventures. With its aluminum roll-up tabletop and foldable legs featuring non-skid feet, this table is incredibly easy to carry and store, thanks to the included compact carry bag. Not only does it offer a sturdy surface with a weight capacity of up to 132 pounds, but it also includes a removable mesh bottom layer for extra storage space, perfect for keeping your essentials organized. Whether you're using it as a portable grill table, a camping picnic table, or even a study table, this table's quick setup, taking just 1 minute, ensures you spend more time enjoying and less time assembling. Its overall dimensions are 35.4 inches in length, 20.9 inches in width, and 27.5 inches in height, yet it folds down to a mere 7.1 by 5.1 by 35.4 inches, weighing only 9 pounds. Ideal for camping, tailgating, or backyard gatherings, the portable outdoor folding table promises to exceed your expectations in strength and stability. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.